Hi, how's everyone going? I just thought I'd drop in and say hi and just share this beautiful nature with you. You know, many people may be stuck inside, and we've got the beautiful running falls over there and all the beautiful cliffs. So yeah, just wanting to share a bit of this with you. Just the beauty of nature, in case you're not getting out at the moment. Yeah, so yeah, I just thought I'd pop in and share. And so I might just. So, how's everyone going? Things are progressing in many places. We're sort of, hi, welcome. So we're sort of seeing in Australia things just, every new level. People have got different opinions about that. A new level of restrictions, things like that. So interesting times we live in. And, for me, it doesn't make a lot of difference in some ways because Hi Emma, lovely to see you here. So yeah, I just want to see how everyone's going and share this beautiful nature with you. I'm very lucky to be able to just walk out in nature and in this beautiful place. And just wanted to share that with people. For me, as I was saying, in some ways it doesn't make that much difference in terms of that. I'm often just at home working and out in the bush. So, it has impacted. This situation has impacted all of us in large or small ways. Certainly, in terms of my business, it's a rethink time. So, I think we can have time to really come back to what's important, what's essential, what's true. That's certainly an opportunity for that to just that's the what is important to us, what's real and true. Life's so busy usually, so we do have some time out to for many people at home to really do some reflection on what's important and any changes that you might want to make in your life. I'm certainly doing a big rethink, and seriously, as I think quite a few people are doing, just seriously looking at the benefits of going off grid, quite honestly, and feeling pretty over it, to be honest, pretty over the whole thing. And just for me, I think realizing I just want to make life more simple and real. And so going off grid, something I've thought about before, but in this situation, I'm seeing that a lot. People are looking at that as a real option to just make life simpler and be more self-sufficient. So that's something I'm thinking about, and just still working on my courses and business. But interesting times we live in. So I just like to pop on, check in with people, how you're going, and because I think for some people, more extroverted people than myself, Helen, lovely to see you here. It can be really, I think it's stressful for all of us. There's days when I felt really, really stressed. I mean, as sensitive people, I've been finding that the level of, because of the fear and the changes, that's so unsettling and triggering for many people, that the level for an empath, the level of dark energies and negative energies is very increased. And I've been more aware of that. Kobe, lovely to see you here. So how's everyone going? I mean, for me, I'm just sort of finding it a bit challenging energetically, and certainly business wise, economically, for everyone, things are in a big change time, and I guess I'm less focused on business at the moment and just focused on coming back to making some life changes. I have been simplifying my life, and just realizing just changes I might want to make. I think it's a good opportunity to do that, and people might make some really significant changes during this time. I don't really want to go too much in my personal views. Everyone's got their own views of what's happening. There's a lot of different perspectives on that, but one thing, it's just affecting all of us. And I think for more extroverted people than myself, I'm very introverted and often at home working and out in the bush, so I'm good. It's a bit intense sometimes energy wise, but I'm really concerned about how people are managing this. The level, many people's stress levels are up, and people might be home with children, and everyone home. It's perhaps indefinitely, being realistic, that it is it is challenging, and I think it's important to stay connected. All the isolation, the control measures that have been brought in. I hear the rationale for that, but I'm not in agreement with it. Personally, and I think it's, I'm concerned about how that's affecting people emotionally, and just people that are not that are more extroverted, and any person just being at home and not having those opportunities to connect with others in ways that are normal for a human being. It's not healthy, and it's not really, the time can be used well for reflection, for a certain amount of time can be used well, but I think it's really important to stay connected and to just stay in touch and check out how people are going. So that's my really main purpose of coming on today, to just see how people are going. I am receiving specific guidance. Probably a lot of other people are too. My guidance is actually fairly full on, so I'm just sharing pieces of it, and I think we're certainly in for a lot of changes for some time to come, and upheaval, and certainly in the long-term picture things do need to change. I think changes are needed. I certainly want to be part of the change, and so I think that's an opportunity now to think about what type of changes we'd like to see and be part of, because it can feel very disempowering to for people that have lost jobs, that are just the government has put in restrictions that most people feel that they have to abide by, and that can feel like a place of not a lot of choice, and so I think it is an opportunity to think moving forward about the world we do want to live in, to think about what's important to us. And certainly for me, freedom's important. It's way up there. My life's always been based on having a high level of freedom, the opposite of society right now. So, as I said, I'm seriously just looking at exploring, researching, learning about off-grid options, and simplifying life, and exploring different ways to express what I do and be of help in the world. I do think, as far as my guidance, what I received today was that the change would come through the grassroots movement of people. It's not always about there's different ways we can bring about change, and that's what I get, that about a grassroots movement of people making lifestyle choices, and that's not, maybe that doesn't attract everyone, but that's my thinking, and that I've heard other people say that too, that as we look further into the future, we can see life being more like that, to just be more simple. And so, yeah, I'm already deciding to move in that direction and see how opportunities and possibilities unfold for that. And in the present, just, looking after ourselves, staying strong. It's important to stay strong. Being inside can really lower the energy and vitality. If you're just watching TV and on the computer, we need to breathe, we need to exercise, really important. Eating well can be, unhealthy physically, emotionally, mentally, just being inside all the time. So I really recommend, if you can, if you're not in total lockdown, to spend some time outside. Make sure, even if you are inside, I've been like running inside and doing that physical exercise, getting the heart going, the breath going, it really lifts the energy up. So doing things that lift the energy up, and being active, even if you're indoors, I really recommend that. What else do I have to share? Opportunity, if you want to just share how you're going. Hey, how you going? The people coming up here for a walk. So yeah, just wanting to check in with people, see how you're going, and it's an opportunity if you're wanting to share how you're going. I just continue on in my walk, and I can show you some different places as I walk along, and I can't really read the comments when I'm walking, but I can share this beautiful nature with you. This is Australia, and they hide away in the bush. We've never seen one. It's beautiful. Hopefully you can see. Beautiful creature just coming out for a drink. Wow, what a gift. Usually I see them in the photo. I can't even catch them because they just run away. I don't want to disturb them, but I was walking down by the waterfall, and this lyrebird was just standing there on the path. mountains over there. Yeah, so yeah, how one of the places I usually walk. So if no one has any comments, I might just do some healing then, perhaps. Just really want to create a place, pop on and share with people, connect. I think it's so important to connect. Or network connection. Oh, it's complaining, but we're still on. Yeah, so sun behind us. It's just beautiful, isn't it? So I might do some healing. I'll open the Akashic records and send some healing. So if you'd like, we've got better reception here. So let's stand here. It's just a little sheltered place. It's quite lovely with the sun coming in. So just doing a healing activation from Angel Ariel, the angel of nature. And if you'd like to receive the healing, you can just open to that. So opening the vibrational records for a healing light activation from Angel Ariel. So just bring people the energies of nature, healing from nature if that's needed, emotional healing, spiritual healing, mental healing, physical healing, whatever you're needing. Letting yourself be soothed by those energies of nature and Angel Ariel. Just bringing that calm and peace, that harmony. Helen, lovely to see you here. So yeah, just healing light activation from Angel Ariel, the angel of nature. Just bringing those healing energies for the body, mind, spirit, emotions, just to bring that healing and balance. Whatever you're needing, just letting those soothing. I like to imagine just those energies of nature just washing over you, just like waves of energy, blessings from nature, from the sun, from the trees, and just allowing yourself to receive that. So opening the vibrational record for healing light activation for everyone who watches this or listens to this at any time who wishes to receive the healing light activation from Angel Ariel, from nature herself, from the trees, from Mother Earth. So we're going to open for the healing light activation to also be from the earth, from Mother Earth, from the trees, from the plants, from all of nature, to bring healing physically, spiritual, mental healing, whatever you're needing, just letting those energies of nature just wash over you, cleanse you, just bringing cleansing, bringing peace, harmony, balance. Just bringing that sense of support, just allowing yourself just to connect with nature, you know. Allow yourself to connect back, connect with nature, connect with all of life, because we are all connected. Life is all connected. We're all connected with nature, with each other. Just allowing yourself to receive that connection, to open to that connection with nature, with life. That sense of being connected, held, supported, loved, nurtured by nature, by life. That's available to us always. And we'll just stay with this till that feels complete. And just sharing this beautiful quiet place with you. It's so peaceful here. It's like very sheltered. It's just like the sheltered places. They feel very healing and quiet. Just letting that peace, just the peace of this place, the energy, that blessing from the wind. You're just moving through the plants gently, a gentle blessing from the sun, from Mother Earth, from the trees, from the rocks. I'm standing here upon rocks, ancient rocks that have endured through time, being a bit weathered but enduring, strong, standing. And Angel Ariel, her presence, blessing. Just feeling the gentle healing energies of Angel Ariel, helping us to connect with nature, helping us to connect with nature's beauty and beauty, as did the lyrebird that was on before. So beautiful. And just feeling that blessings from Angel Ariel, healing, connection with the wonder and mystery of nature. That's always available to us wherever we are. We can still connect with the mysteries and wonder all around us. So important during these times to just connect back, connect with ourselves, connect with nature. Feel that support and nourishment, that connection with each other, with all of life. I'm feeling this in my heart. Just letting the heart be nourished, receive, open to sharing in some way, in some miraculous way through technology. We're here just sharing this nature together, regardless of physical distance. We're here